I am Mirzanuddin. I have completed my Bachelor of Technologies from Mallarity Engineering College in Computer Science and Engineering, specialization in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning with the aggregate of 8.84 CGPA. Later, I have joined Jspiders JNTU as an incubation program in the month of March. In that, I have opted software testing as a course where I have done manual testing concepts such as STLC, including SQL and also automation testing tools such as Selenium and Java as a programming language. Here the trainers helped me a lot to improve my technical knowledge. Their unconditional support, their dedication, my enthusiasm, my consistency helped me to improve my technical knowledge. I have gained valuable hands-on experience. Based on and also I have attended different mocks which helped me to upskill my technical knowledge, which helped me to improve my communication skills also. Later, based on my performance, I have added for the requirements. This is the first requirement I was added by the HR team, which I have cracked this company interview, and I also selected as a QA training with the package of 3.6 LPA. For this, I am very thankful to all the trainers who helped me a lot in order to improve my technical skills as well as communication skills. Thank you to the HR team for giving me so many opportunities, and thank you for each and everyone who helped me throughout this journey.